Today we're talking about LEDs, those tiny lights that make our projects shine. Ever wondered how to pick the right resistor for different colored LEDs? Stick around, it's easier than you think. But first, what is an LED? An LED, or light-emitting diode, is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. Unlike traditional incandescent bulbs, LEDs are polarized, meaning they have a specific direction for the flow of electric current. Typically, current flows from the anode, the positive terminal, to the cathode, the negative terminal of the LED. Each LED color has its own needs to shine just right. Here is the typical forward voltages of different color LEDs. That's where resistors come in. What is a resistor? A resistor is an electronic component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in a circuit. It provides resistance, measured in ohms, to the current passing through it. Resistors are crucial for protecting sensitive components, like LEDs, by ensuring they receive the appropriate amount of current. See this resistor. It's like the guardian for our LED, ensuring it receives just the right amount of power. So how do we choose the right resistor? We use something called Ohm's law. It's like a magic formula for electronics. Ohm's law says voltage V equals current I times resistance R. Let's say our blue LED needs 3 volts and 20 milliamps. That's just a fancy way of saying a small amount of current, and our power supply gives us 5 volts. R is equal to 5 volts minus 3 volts divided by 20 milliamperes is equal to 2 volts divided by 0.02 amperes equals 100 ohms. So for our setup we need a 100 ohm resistor to keep our blue LED happy. Here is the formula to compute the wattage of the resistor. P equals 2 volts times 0.02 amps equal to 0.04 watt or 40 milliwatts. Therefore we can use 1/8 or 1/4 watts resistor. And there you have it. By using Ohm's law, we can make sure our LEDs shine bright without any worries. Thanks for watching.